Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, another video about what to do when you're bored at home. I'm gonna keep making them till I'm not stuck at home anymore. Anyway, so what we'll be doing today is we'll be painting some flower pots because I have a bunch of flower pots that need painting. I need to liven up my garden a bit. So that's what I'll be doing. Hope you guys enjoy, and if you don't, I hope it gives you some ideas about how to paint your flower pots. Okay, so I have my pots ready to go and my paint, and I guess let's get going on it. I think I'm gonna make this one a watermelon. I think that'll be super cute. I saw it on Pinterest. Thought I'd try that one out. I have a couple original ideas, but I also saw some things I thought would be pretty cute. I can't really talk because like everybody is mowing their lawn. My brother's mowing our lawn. The neighbors behind me are mowing their lawn. Across the street they're mowing their lawn. And now my dog is barking, so I just won't talk. This looks so bad. Maybe I don't want any plants to go in here. I don't want to like bring them down with the state of their pot. You know what? It's the first one. It's cute. I stand by it. It's fine. You know, it's not gonna be perfect. I'm not putting this on Pinterest, so I am completely okay with it. And if I take a photo, I'll just make sure I have the best seeds on the front. If there were any. Oh, hold on, let me do like a slow, no, that's too close. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make sure I don't hit any wet spots. Ooh. Okay, one pot done. So for the next one, I'm gonna be doing some bumblebees on the pot and probably like have some honey dripping down. I think that'd be pretty cute. I hate bees, but they're helpful and they're cute, so we'll put that on there. That's actually pretty good. Huh. That's pretty good. Not disappointed. This bee is gonna be really fat. I did not mean to make it that big, but it's fine. Ooh, maybe I could do a lemon one next. Like kiwis and fruit. Huh. Okay, got my next idea. There's a bee over there. I think he's checking this out and trying to see if there's any real sweet honeys over here. Oh, I get it. Honeys. Ha ha ha. Okay, I'm finished. I love it. Oh my god, it's so cute. This one is, oh, I love it. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna take a break. Let these dry, get a snack, and then I'll be back to start my next one. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, let me do a slow-mo little spin for you. That one just cracks me up. Love it. Ah, it's so cute. Actually, I'm gonna draw a couple more lines over here. A flower pot painter's work is never done. Okay. Now she's done. I filled in that spot so there's not too many like blank spots. I love it. Oh my god, this is so cute. This one's my new favorite. Okay, I'm gonna just take a break. I'll be back. Okay, so I have this one. It was painted at one point, I guess. I think it just like chipped away or I don't know. So I'm gonna be painting over this. I think I'm gonna do green and then little lemons and oranges, like slices. I think that'd be pretty cute. Ready to get started? You gonna paint one too? Wanna paint a dog one? Yeah? Okay, sounds good. Okay, so I'm done with this one. It looks super cute, I love it. And, oh, I did the spin. And now I'm on to my final pot. Now this one already has some saplings in it, but I'm gonna try to paint it. I'm gonna be very careful. I think I'm gonna do an ice cream cone, because as you can see, it's already kind of dirty, so I thought I'd paint some brown like I already started doing. And I'll do little drips and some sprinkles and make it look like an ice cream cone. Okay, last one done. Swirl time. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. Little ice cream. Okay, and these are all the pots together. Finished. I love them. They're adorable. This one is my favorite. But don't tell the other pots. Thank you so much for watching this video, coming back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing really well right now. You know, just gotta stay inside, wash those hands, stay healthy, and I hope you guys are doing all those things. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!